Hello everyone, my name is Armand Bedrossian and I'm a prosthodontist in San Francisco. Straumann Smile in the box is pretty cool. It allows us to utilize digital technology and treatment plan in a prosthetic mindset, in a 3D fashion using a co-diagnostic software. We're able to identify the prosthetic, the desired tooth position, identify where the bone is in relation to that, and treatment plan the surgery for a full arch treatment. Now the Smile in a Box concept really is taking it a step further, which is utilizing digital technology, treatment planning it on the computer, and then bringing it to life, which is basically allowing us to choose either a sequential or a stackable system in order to predictably and efficiently place the implants utilizing guided surgery and also improve the conversion, making it a little bit more predictable and efficient for the conversion prostheses.